One of the interesting things about this seventh edition is its coverage of alternative and complementary therapies internationally. Can you tell us more about this?
This was a change or an addition that we added to the seventh edition above the first six editions. And in doing this, every chapter has a sidebar that is either done by the author. We had an author who was from Sweden, we had one from Japan, and they actually provided the sidebar, which was a description of the use of the therapy in their country. And probably the most interesting one was, when you talk to the individuals and they consider the therapy in their country, for example, environment. Maria Kita from Liberia considered the principles of a healing environment, and really in translating that to her experience in her country, what really she defined as the healing environment was more of the social and family environment, the family presence with individuals. And so we're getting in these sidebars a very unique perspective from persons who experience the culture themselves. I think the other example that comes to mind of a really fascinating international sidebar was done from two of our international sidebar authors from Taiwan, and they considered animal therapy or the use of animals in healing, and they laughed when they read about the use of cats and dogs, and they said in their country this is probably much less common than the use of fish or other. Maybe fish would be the best example, and they gave a very striking example of the use of fish. And in fact, they said the use of furry animals was probably contraindicated in their healthcare system due to the common incidence or prevalence of asthma and allergic reactions to animals. So I thought that was fascinating.